Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at a pair of Bluetooth earbuds. These are 5.0 wireless earbuds. They're called AairHut A3 Deep Bass Dual Microphone True Wireless Sport Earbuds with Easy Pair technology and portable charging case. So let's give you a look at these. You end up getting your manual, which will give you some specs that you can pause right there if you want to look at those specs. All right, full manual. Now the actual earbuds will come with a USB charging cable, which is a standard cable. We'll move that aside for the moment. Let's take a look at the actual earbuds. So first of all, they're going to come in this case, which is a rechargeable case. You charge the case here, and then you put your earbuds in here, and you can charge them right in the case. So you can use them for a while. If they die, you pop them back in the case, and they will recharge in there. Now the earbuds themselves, let's take a close-up look at it. You can see those are the charging ports. Silicone earpiece. Little textured grip on here. And this is your button, the actual outside. You do have the two, the left and the right. In the case, you will have the contacts here, so all you end up doing is dropping it in like that, and it'll start charging. All right. The light comes on to show you when it's charging. And what you will do is you just hold this for a few seconds to turn it on. And if you haven't paired it with your phone yet, you pair it. Let's show you how to do that. All right, so when you first take them out, all you have to do is hold the button to turn it on. When it appears, you click on it, the pairing will begin. And you'll see connected for call and media. Of course, then on your Bluetooth, you can click on it and decide if you want to use it just for media or actually for phone calls. And then when you turn on the second one, and you can use just one, but if you turn on the second one, then they connect to each other. All right, and now they're both connected. The audio quality is excellent on here. They sound really nice. Like I said, when the batteries die or get low, or you're done using them, just throw them back in there. They will automatically start charging. You can close the case. You see it automatically disconnects. They shut off and start charging. You can close the case, throw that in your bag, and they're charging in there right now. So next time you pull them out, they're fully charged again. So like I said, it has deep bass Bluetooth 5.0. There's dual mics, stereo experience on both. It's one, you pair one, the left one, and then the right one will pair to the left automatically. You have the on-the-go charging case with long battery life. They rate it as, let's see here, it says, the case also allows you to enjoy music all day, and charging case will extend the life of the earbuds up to 15 hours. This does come with a 1-year warranty, 100% satisfaction guarantee from the manufacturer. They only weigh 0.3 ounces. And like I said, you do have 15 hours of playtime. So I guess if the case extends it another 15 hours, that's, one full extra charge. So you get basically like 30 hours of actual playtime with it. So again, these are the AairHut A3 earbuds, and they are really nice, good sounding. They stay in your ears well. They do a great job. Check out the link on the screen, and I'll put a link in the description where you can find it on Amazon if you're interested in them. Thanks a lot for watching.